present are present continuous. May 7. Wednesday football practice. He always plays football on Wednesdays. May. Now he is watching football on TV. Now he's watching football on TV. He always plays football on Wednesdays. Now he's watching football on TV. Bye!